Forgotten username recovery failed on US Bank Fix. So you're trying to recover your US Bank username, but the recovery page isn't working, or you never received the confirmation email. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and it's usually caused by outdated or mismatched information. Let's fix it together. Start by visiting the official US Bank login page and clicking Forgot It. You'll be asked to verify your account with either your email address, phone number, or card information. Be sure to use the exact same details you used when signing up. For example, if you recently switched phone numbers, your recovery request may fail because the old number is still linked to your profile. If you use your card number for verification, double-check that you've entered all digits correctly, no spaces or extra numbers. Wall mistakes are the #1 cause of failed recoveries. If the recovery email doesn't arrive, check your spam or junk folders for a message from US Bank Online Banking. Also, wait a few minutes, email delays can happen. If you still can't find it, try the recovery process again using a different browser or device. Sometimes cached data can interfere with verification links. If you're still having issues, contact US Bank customer support at 1-800-870-22657. Once they confirm your identity, they can help you recover your username directly. The surprising truth is, US Bank's recovery system works extremely well when your account info is up to date. Keeping your contact details current and checking your spam folders will usually solve the issue fast. Once you're back in, take a moment to update your security preferences to make future recoveries smoother.